In today's digital age, where users access websites on a myriad of devices, creating responsive designs is crucial. CSS media queries are the secret weapon to ensure your website looks and functions flawlessly on any screen size. In this tutorial, we'll dive deep into the world of media queries and learn how to harness their power to create stunning, responsive websites. Let's start by understanding the fundamental concept of media queries. Before implementing the media query, there's nothing changes when my resolution changes. However, I want the container box to be in column arrangement but not row. Thus, it comes in handy with just a few lines to set it to column arrangement in the phone resolution. Now, the element in the phone resolution is what I wanted. With this media query, more possibilities are handed out towards our creativity, with the offers of wide range of possibilities beyond screen size. Whether you want it to be on the phone, computer, or even TV, it is your lifesaver. If you find this video informative and craved for more videos like this, please subscribe and leave a like. And see you in my next video. Happy coding!